Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can download and install Gran Saga game on your PC, which is free to play and free to download. Open up your browser, just search for the Steam website, then open it, then just click on the login option you are seeing on the right hand top. Guys, here simply sign into your account. And if you don't have an account, then just scroll down, then just create account on Steam. This is very simple and easy. And once you create the account, then just click on the install Steam option you are seeing on the top, and here just download the Steam and install it on your PC. Guys, this is very simple and easy. After that, open up the Steam, then just log into your account, then just click on the top search box and just type here the game, which is Gran Saga. Now once you type this game name, this game appear on the top, so open up this Gran game. Now once you open up this game, here just scroll down, you'll see the option of add to library. So just click on this option of add to library. As you can see, this game is free to play. Now this game was added to your library of your Steam. Then just click on the option of OK, then just go to the library of your Steam. Click on the search box and you can manually find this. Click on the game, click on the install. This is how you can download and install this game. If you find this video helpful, so please consider liking, and bye bye and take care.